Clearborough, North Dallas. 2021 Tesla S Plaid. Over there's a black one that's underway, but we just finished up this gloss wrap on this red one. Let's take a quick look at it. Topped off windshield with the STek DynoFlex windshield protection. We'll take a close look at that. So you can see it goes on crystal clear, and that provides protection against chipping and cracking, all from rocks. And let's move on to the XPEL Ultimate Plus wrap. And again, like we always do, let's get all these edges, everything nicely wrapped in. No adhesive marks, nothing. You can see that logo from our wall. Everything nice and clear. Everything nice and tucked in. Nice gap, so we were able to get that in there. Coming around over here, everything's looking good. Got everything wrapped in there. A-pillar fully both sides, and down in here wrapped. Mirror fully wrapped in. Let's take a look at that A-pillar. Most people have a tough time wrapping down in here, but we don't want any lines on top. And it's wrapped all the way around the back side. Coming into our doors, fully wrapped under the moldings. Coming around over here, all wrapped in. All wrapped in, looking good. Full lid. Full rear bumper, all wrapped underneath. Everything just looks great, great. Coming around the rear quarter doors, all wrapped in. Again, on the A-pillar on this side, everything's wrapped. So everything, obviously, we just like to show you. Wrapping those little edges makes a big deal, keeps that warranty 10 years plus. You know, you can always get over 10 years out of these things if they're properly installed and properly cared for. So there it is, 2021 Tesla Plaid with the DynoFlex on the windshield, XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film, the leader in the market at 8 mil, and its self-healing abilities. So there it is, folks. If you need anything answered, clearboroughnorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809, extension 1. Thank you.